Hi, and welcome to this Boond tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to read your absence balances on BoondManager for you to efficiently submit your absence requests. You have the choice. You can log in on your internet navigator or on our apps. Our native mobile apps are available on iOS and Android. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on a web interface. We will show you how to do that from a basic collaborator account, meaning an account mainly used for submitting timesheets, expenses, and absence requests. Once connected to your collaborator account, from the dashboard, click on My Absences. You will find the tab Absence Balances, which allows you to check how many days off you're allowed to request. If you do not see this tab, this means that your administrator hasn't set up this option for you. Let's take a look at how absence balances work. Here, we notice two different types of absences: compensatory time that's set from January to December, and paid leaves set here from January to December. Let's look at the compensatory time balance. For this period, Michael has acquired 2 days of compensatory time. As you can see, in the taken section, Michael has already taken 1 day. Taken corresponds to all absences reported in timesheets that were entirely validated before the end of the previous month. We are in March, therefore, all taken days are absences submitted in timesheets validated before the end of February. His real balance is therefore 1. There's nothing in the requested section, which means that Michael hasn't requested that type of absence in the period following the current month. His estimated balance here is accordingly 1. Let's talk about Michael's paid leave days. Michael has then accumulated a total of 27.08 paid leave days. However, we can see that there are 15 taken absences. Last January, Michael went on a winter holiday for 15 days. He has therefore a real balance of 12.08 days. Yet, we can see that there are 2 days in the requested section. Michael would like to have an extended weekend in April. We are in March. As we saw earlier, this absence corresponds to an absence in the period following the current month and approved by their manager. It is therefore requested and not yet considered as taken. Michael's estimated balance for paid leaves is then 10.08, which means that on May 1st, Michael's real balance will then be 10.08. Since he has 10.08 days of paid leave left, Michael wants to plan a vacation in May. To learn how to submit an absence request, click on the link in the description for the dedicated video tutorial. And that's it, simpler than ever. To gain more knowledge on how to use BoondManager, you can also check our online help tools, follow our webinars, or contact your favorite Boond coach. Thank you for watching.